Using idioms in everyday conversations. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idiomatic expressions, focusing on their practical application in spoken English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use these expressions in your daily conversations, making your English sound more fluent and culturally nuanced. Idiomatic expressions are phrases where the meanings are not literal. Instead, their significance is based on cultural context or shared understanding. For instance, break a leg doesn't mean to physically harm oneself. In the world of theater, it's a way to wish someone good luck. Using idiomatic expressions. 1. Enhances fluency. Sounds more like a native speaker. 2. Improves comprehension. Understand native speakers better as they often use idioms in everyday conversations. 3. Adds color to language. Makes the conversation more lively and expressive. Bite the bullet, meaning to face a difficult situation. This phrase dates back to when soldiers would literally bite on a bullet during surgery to cope with the pain. The ball is in your court, indicating that it's now someone else's move or decision. This idiom has its origins in tennis. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. This likely came from ancient methods of voting using beans. 1. Context is key. Ensure the situation is appropriate for the idiom. 2. Practice makes perfect. The more you use them, the more natural they become. 3. Ask for feedback. Ask native speakers or teachers if you're using them correctly. 4. Keep it relevant. Just because idioms are fun doesn't mean you should overuse them. Idiomatic expressions are a wonderful way to add vibrancy to your spoken English. They offer a glimpse into the cultural richness of the language. We hope this video helps you incorporate them into your daily chats. Remember, learning is a journey, and every idiom you master is a step forward. Happy learning, and until next time.